You see, you can't really train canaries, but I don't really know. This guy's getting pretty tame. I mean, she eats the stuff off the floor, but I got this little bunch of food here. See if she comes and gets it. Alright. Come on. Come get it. So I hold it right here. Oh, so there's one that's about to fall off. That's a millet spray. Oh. Put it down there. Hold it onto it. See if she tries to come back again. She flew towards me and she flew on me about 7 times, which the other birds don't do, so, I mean, if she's not trainable, I don't know what to tell you. They just gotta hang out together. They're enjoying it. We went swimming, and the whole time we were swimming, we let them stay up here. Nice and cool. It's not too hot. There's a Miss Piggy. She's a canary. I just clipped her wings because she was flying up in the cathedral ceiling pretty high. They can still fly, it just makes it so they can't fly as high. I don't want to lose her or have her hurt herself. Come on, Miss Piggy. Everybody wants to see you. Jump up. I'll make a sentence that means come and get the food. She's eating little bits of I don't know what on the floor, so I'm trying to give her real food. Come on. Miss Piggy. Miss Piggy. Miss Piggy. There's nothing good down there, unless there's some of this fell down there. Guaranteed it's all dirt and stuff. The feather over there. Yeah, there's a pencil over there. You know you want some of this good stuff. Come on, Piggy. Come on, Miss Piggy. She loves to eat. I think that's why she kept coming up to me. She landed on me about 7 times, I counted. Come on. Come on. You know I'm not going to hurt you. Come on. Get over here. She's looking around. She's about to come. I mean, she's not tame, but she's getting tamer. She's landing on me. That's a good indication. Climb up that leg if you want to. Yeah. Don't care. You know, this funny little... I gotta get something to groom her with, her little claws with. There's something the lady told me that she needs to get a little grooming stuff. Come on. Okay, fine, I'll put it down. We'll see. This'll be just a minute. Oh, no. Here we go. How's she gonna go? That's so easy. She's eating the millet. Yeah, they were eating the millet. See, the lovebirds can have the food that's smaller for the canaries and the budgies. The budgies just can't eat the big lovebird food. They can have it once in a while. Sometimes when they run out of one kind of food. I had a bunch of the lovebirds, so used to run out of the lovebird food pretty fast. And then we give them canary and budgie food, which is basically the same thing, smaller seeds. They all love the millet. That's a piece of millet down there that's kind of looks like a horseshoe. It's a spray of millet. See if the other guys come. They're not She's really into eating. You can get her to eat anything. You got any leftover vegetables or whatever, she'll eat it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. She don't look like she's starving to death, but just in case. Now, she did have a really bad bald spot in the back of her head. When we were moving, she had it. I don't know. She had a so-called boyfriend. She didn't like him, so it might have been nerves. But it's all grown out. I guess she got feathers wherever the bald area was. She's looking really healthy. Yeah. She liked your buddy Sydney. He's a parakeet. He's up there. He spends quite a bit of his day printing himself. Yeah. That's what he's doing now. I have no idea where the other ones are. They're probably on the other side of this roll thing. They like to hide. They've had a good bit of time out here and they've quite enjoyed it. Yeah. Yeah. I'll leave this out there. They don't like to be in the cage all the time. You can't let them stay in the cage all the time. I mean, let's face it. Would you want to be in a cage all the time? No. So you treat your bird as you would treat yourself.